Dear students, sometimes we have to record the you know the lecture through the app. Sometimes recording will be done faster. Sometimes it takes time, but you will be linking back, um, even though sometimes it becomes late. So have a patience. Okay. Sometimes it may not. I may forget to tell you that it may take some time. Okay, so that's the thing. If I am not linking back, I myself tell you that it is a D-link till I say. So continue to try to connect with me. Okay. Okay. Now we were trying to understand what is a cross sectional. Cassia Korean, can you tell me what is cross sectional?
So, observational studies.
Observations.
Observational studies.
Yeah, it is an observation study only, but what it is?
Don't know, sir.
Generally,
Don't know, sir.
Navindran,
Don't know, sir.
Aparna,
So finding a relation or association
finding a relation.
uh, finding a relation between two things, like for example, a disease caused by some agent.
You're partly right. Something has to be. Okay, sharing.
Yes, sir. Uh, Collecting data in a defined population, sir. About the drugs, collecting the data about the drugs in a defined population.
Yes, correct. So it is a cross-sectional means you will have a group. You will have a group comprising or consisting of the people from various types or various regions. Like for example, a metropolitan city like Bangalore will have people from various states together in one state. So if you do a study in this region, that is going to be a cross-sectional study, correct? Collecting the data from a population which is different is known as cross-sectional, correct? Okay. Cross-sectional studies means it is a determination of proportion of use of drugs, in a defined population. It is a study of or the determination of proportion of use of drugs in a defined population. How many different kind of people are using one particular drug? Okay, so that is what it is known as cross-sectional study. For example, drug A is administered to disease number 1. So in various types of population, various types of people, how many are using that? So if you find out a percentage of that, then it is called as determination of proportion of use of drugs in defined population. That is called as cross-sectional studies. The advantage of this studies is that you can compare the use of drugs in two different countries. For example, if two countries are having the patient who are suffering from malaria, how the drugs are chosen in two different countries, or how one particular drug is chosen in two different countries can be found out. That is the advantage of this cross-sectional study. It also has disadvantage in the sense that the database will have limited in size and sometimes do not provide large population size. Sometimes do not provide large population size. for calculating or for analyzing the results. So that is the disadvantage sometimes because of the limitation of the database. But if you can collect the data in large populations, still you can do the wonderful job. So that is about the cross-sectional studies. So your article, you will be writing the summary of article using this cross-sectional study. You can put it as a cross-sectional study on such a drugs. So you will be able to get the information. Is it clear? Any doubt you have on this topic? Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If there is no doubt, one more thing I would like to tell you all people. We know that there are 8 groups, research groups. This year, and remember that you have to work with your guide in order to design the research projects that protects you from corona infection or COVID-19 infection. Please remember that we are very much concerned about your health protection. So we have already I have already requested all the guides to support the study based on this concept. So as a student, you should also cooperate to do the things in with such kind of projects, especially this year, because we are all under danger. So I am stressing you again that it is extremely important for you all people to comply with this kind of research project. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Usually such projects will be prospective in nature. You are not going to collect any background, past study results. That is not allowed as a, otherwise you don't get experience. You will be doing prospective study, that is correct, and you will be doing community pharmacy or community projects, so that you are going to, if at all you're going to meet only healthy people only, healthy people. But hospital, visiting hospital and trying to collect the cases, you are extremely under dangerous situations. So community work, you can go to from one house to another house where you think that it is safe, or interact with the people who are considered to be safe, or through call or something like that. So such kind of projects you can think of. And also I have told your guides also to support extremely, give a good support to design the studies like this, especially this year. If everything goes God grace, then probably next year student will have both hospital and community based project. But this year you must stick to community based projects. Is that clear? Okay. If there
Yes,
is
sir.
yeah, if there is no doubt, so we will end up this class. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah. Somebody is trying to call me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir. Sir, I
That's
have
me.
a doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, we have to write discussion in a separate page or after the
No. It is a
results
continuation only. Continuation only.
only.
Like
After results only we can write.
Yes. After the results, you have to write discussion. Yes.
Discussion. Okay. Thank you.